What is UPI? Unified Payment Interface. UPI is an instant payment system developed by the National Payments Corporation of India (NPCI). An RBI regulated entity, UPI is built over the IMPS infrastructure and allows you to instantly transfer money between any two parties' bank accounts. What is UPI PIN? PIN, UPI Personal Identification Number, is an 4 to 6 digit passcode you create or set during first time registration with this app. You have to enter this UPI PIN to authorize all bank transactions. If you have already set up an UPI PIN with other UPI apps, you can use the same on Bheem. Note: bank issue MPN is a different from the UPI PIN. Please generate a new UPI PIN in the Bheem app. Note: please do not share your UPI PIN with anyone. Bheem does not store or read your UPI PIN details and your bank customer support will never ask for it. How is UPI different from IMPS? UPI is providing additional benefits to IMPS in the following ways. The first is provides for the P2P full functionality. Point 2. Simplifies merchant payments. Number 3. Single app for money transfer. Number 4. Single click two-factor authentication. What is the limit of fund transfer using UPI? At present, the upper limit per UPI transaction is 1 lakh. What happens if I forget my PIN? In case someone forgets the UPI PIN, he needs to regenerate a new UPI PIN using his debit card details, the last 6 digits of their debit cards and expiry date. What if I change my handset? If you change your handset, you will need to: number 1. Download the PSP app again. Number 2. Register through mobile verification. Number 3. Your UPI will be auto-saved. How are you getting all my bank account information? This is a feature of UPI Payments Platform built by NPCI, an RBI regulated entity. The UPI platform retrieves the account details linked with your mobile number in a masked manner. UPI app can't see all the details. This exchange is done over secure banking networks and we don't store or ever use it. My UPI transaction has failed, but my bank account has been debited. In case failure, money will be refunded back to your account. Sometimes this takes longer than intended. If you do not receive the refund within 1 hour, please contact your customer support at your bank. How do I set up my UPI PIN with the bank directly? You can set up your UPI PIN on any PSP app using your debit card details. My transaction is showing pending. The amount has been debited and not credited. Is there a problem? Your transaction is successful, but due to some issue at the beneficiary bank end, there is a delay. The amount will reach him in 48 hours once the bank is done with its daily settlements. Can I use more than one UPI applications on the same mobile if they are linked to a different bank accounts? Yes, one can use more than one UPI application on the same mobile and link with both same as well as different accounts. What if I lose my phone? If you lose your phone, the UPI PIN is required to authorize all transactions which will not be known to any third person, and hence they will not be able to use the UPI app. In addition, please contact our customer support at your bank in the event you lose your phone. Will you ever auto-detect payments from my account? They will not auto-detect payments from your account. What if the timeline to approve a collect request by a payer? The timeline to approve a collect request needs to be defined by the requester. In case my mobile is used by another person, when there is any security breach, in any transaction the UPI PIN would be required, which needs to be fed through the mobile at the time of any transaction, making it safe and secure. What are the different channels for transferring funds using UPI? The different channels for transferring funds using UPI are: number 1, send collect to virtual ID; number 2, account number plus IFSC; number 3, Aadhaar number. Can I link more than one bank account to the same virtual address? Yes, several bank accounts can be linked to the same virtual address depending on the functionalities being made available by the respective PSPs. I have paid for my transaction but not received anything. What is that? Once you complete a transaction, you should see a success status on the view history and receive an SMS from your bank. In some cases, due to operator issue, it can take longer time. In case you have not received your confirmation within an hour, please contact your customer at your bank. I have selected the bank name to link to the UPI, but it does not find my bank account. In such a case, please ensure that the mobile number linked to your bank account is same as the one verified in any UPI app. If it is not the same, your bank account will not be fetched by the UPI platforms. What happens if I enter wrong PIN UPI during a transaction? In case you enter the wrong details, the transaction will fail. In case you inputted wrong UPI PIN multiple times, bank may temporarily block sending money using UPI from my account. This varies